TV powered by World Sports Betting. Orlando Pirates won, Uthongathi 0 in the Nedbank Cup on a Saturday afternoon. Decent game, decent outing for Uthongathi because it wasn't really a drubbing. They didn't disappoint themselves. They were not embarrassed. On the side of Orlando Pirates, of course, they could have done better. The field could have allowed them to play better, but you could see the pitch wasn't really that good. Of course, Junior Khanye is our analyst. He's going to tell us what happened in this game. Otherwise, Winner Junior, you satisfied with what you saw today? Do you think there was a gap between the professional team and the team Great Africa Championship? How did you see the game?
Ngululeko ithi ngicale ngibulise wena no Joe Benedict Tsofilakas Dugudugu Ujane Justin Uncane ebafethu kunjani. Keep supporting Diski TV, won't disappoint honestly, fighting no one.
Between the two teams, could you see which one was professional and the other was a top
club? Disappointed pitch Orlando kusho ukuthi ibingekho condition right. That's why ubone Orlando Pirates kungathi ayifunction. Kusho ukuthi pitch mangizothi nje Uthongathi kusho ukuthi Uthongathi luyijwayele pitch engekho right because lidlala Africa kwi-Chat Africa. Kusho ukuthi Nkululeko bangizo-check i-pitch ukube i-pitch be right. Kusho ukuthi naleya pass kaMnare uyayibona ukuthi ibouncile. Otherwise Nkululeko Orlando Pirates ayikwazanga ukuthi i-perform noma ifunction. Reason ukuthi labafana Nkululeko bebe placile in disguise. Kusho ukuthi bebefesile Nkululeko no i-reality ivale. Kusho ukuthi badlala kodwa futhi uyabona ukuthi bafesile ba placing in disguise. Kusho ukuthi bayafesa. Kusho ukuthi bafunda nabo ukuthi abangene kwi-Pirate. Bengathi kibo ifike surprise lento emehlweni abantu ukuthi badlale Orlando Pirates. Yeah, i-reality Nkululeko. Ngoba ubabona i-nervousness badlala kusho ukuthi kuyi-half yabo abayi kuyi-half ye-Pirates, but ngaphinde ngibanike benefit of the doubt ngoba ubabona second half bese beya ubabona bese beya kuyi-half ye-Orlando Pirates. Mara for Orlando Pirates kimina not good performance kimi ngoba umubuka bebe scattered. You understand? Bebe scattered. Mango ngala uyajeka udlala ngala ukhipha ama cross faka ngala uphuma ngaphandle wodwa. Individual brilliant. Kusho ukuthi the way ngi disappointed ngakhona namhlanje angikhona nokuthi ngithi very disappointed mangabe angizwa i-reality Nkululeko. Kusho ukuthi angikhona nokuthi ngithi ngiringa ngestructure kusho ukuthi ne philosophy ne culture. Understand Nkululeko mamela mangabe ngimamela angikhona nokuthi ngithi mamela the way ngi disappointed ngakhona namhlanje. Kusho ukuthi angikhona nokuthi ngithi very disappointed Nkululeko my brother angikhona nokuthi ngithi my brother. Kusho ukuthi very disappointed.